Here we come to the service elevator at the Atrium of Genesee Valley Center near Flint, Michigan. Ooh, this thing is absolutely disgusting. Ugh. Oh my God. Go up to 2. Go back down to 1. There's the phone. Here we are.